What's up guys? For today's video I bought a ton of stuff from Pacsun, so I'm going to be showing it off today. There's really no point to this video at all because it's not like specific hyped items at all. Actually none of this stuff is even remotely like reselling wise, and normally on the channel I'm only doing stuff that's like resellable, like crazy hyped up stuff. But it's just a random Pacsun video I wanted to show you guys because recently Pacsun was doing the buy one get one free denim. Who knows, I'm probably still going on right now. And they also had a coupon code where you could get like 25% off, maybe not 25% off, maybe $25 off, one or the other. So I bought some new denim just because 90% of my denim has holes in it, purposely has holes in it. So I was trying to get some new denim that's not covered in holes all the time so I could like switch up my wardrobe a little bit. And I've been messing with Pacsun denim for a very long time. So with the buy one get one free, I figured I would get 4 new pairs. So let's get into what I got. Hopefully I don't rip them with this knife. Maybe I shouldn't use the knife for this. Oh yeah, I forgot. I didn't actually get 4 pairs of denim. I got 3 pairs of denim and something else that was part of the buy one get one free. So I guess I will start off with just these standard black denim. Now I already have the same exact pair, but I washed mine a lot and it started fading. So I figured I was gonna double up and just have like a nice all black denim, and I'm gonna actually try to take care of this pair just so I can keep this one. Has that black denim dye smell that smells horrendous actually. It smells very bad. But I personally feel like these are the greatest Pacsun pants they have ever made, and I've been wearing Pacsun denim since about like 7th grade, maybe 6th grade is when I got into it, back when they had the Dylan, Drake Skinniest and skinny denim. I was really into that. I feel like after they kind of discontinued that, their denim was just kind of trash. Because they had stacked skinny, which was alright, but I feel like I'm way too skinny for stacked skinny because they really fit my legs awful. So a few months ago they came out with the Skinniest active stretch, which I think is their best denim, and I highly recommend it. The camera's making these look a little weird. Trust me, they're all black. And I picked these up in a 32-32. I think my true waist is like a 30 or like a 29 or something, but I kind of size up on the Skinniest and they end up fitting great. I always wash my denim too. I'm not really too crazy about that because I know a lot of people always say take good care of the denim, but I feel like I only have to take care of the black because I'm sick of every pair of black denim fading. So I'm gonna try to take care of these ones. But the other ones I will throw in the washer 60 times in one day, I don't care. But let me show you these ones. These were the ones that I kind of hate these already looking at these. Well, they look pretty good online, just like everyone says. Let's see what they look like. The same thing, the Skinniest active stretch. Yeah, I probably would never see myself wearing these. I got them in a 32-32 as well. I don't know if I already said that. But there's kind of this darker wash with, I think it's like dark indigo. But yeah, I don't like these at all. Maybe I can exchange these for something else. These are alright though. Maybe I gotta try them on, see what they're looking like. And then lastly, for the denim, it's just this light wash. This looks pretty fire. Kind of similar to the one that I got on. Not really, but kind of. Looking fire though. And they are the same thing, the active stretch Skinniest. And I also got these in a 32-32. So these are pretty fire, just like a way lighter wash than what I'm used to. So I'm trying to branch out there, get some crazy stuff going on, which is exactly why I got this last item. Everyone's into track pants. Track pants are fire. Pacsun recently started their thing called Stadium Pants. They look sweet. They had this black pair with red stripes, but I have Adidas ones that are navy blue with red stripes, so I figured they're so close, it kind of feel like having the same thing. So I wanted to get something completely different. So I'm crazy. I went out and got these, if I can even open it, to show you guys. Pacsun Stadium Pants, and I got them in purple. They don't even look purple on the camera really. But I got them in purple. They feel really nice actually, like surprisingly really nice, because I feel like Pacsun Basics are stepping up the quality insane, and these just feel really nice. What I really liked about them is they have the zipper pockets, so I can keep my phone in there safely. And then sometimes they don't have back pockets, so you have to put your wallet in here too. And I hate it when they don't have zippers, but luckily these ones do have a back pocket with zippers, so that's nice. But it's just all purple, just a little standard drawstrings really, and the white stripe on the side, similar to Adidas track pant. And the cuffing is pretty nice. I don't really know what these are gonna look like with the shoes. Seems pretty nice, and I got them in a size small just because I feel like they run a little big. All the other Pac Sun pants like this that I've had, like sweatpants I guess you could say, run a little big, so I got them in a small. and I'm pretty sure they're gonna fit me. Well, I just got these so I could be crazy and not just be wearing the same basic colors of blue and black pants all the time. So I'm ready to jump out of my comfort zone, I guess you could say, and branch out with these. So pretty hyped on that pickup. But just because the video is so short, I figured I'd try to branch it out a little bit longer to show you guys some more stuff I picked up from Pac Sun. Now, they've been recently doing the 3 for $30 deal, and I have bought a lot of stuff from there. And if you're looking to get into reselling, the Pac Sun 3 for $30, you will find some fire in there to resell, which is exactly what I did. So let me show you what I first got. Is this New York Knicks starter hockey jersey. Pretty fire. I really like this. Honestly, I would have kept this for myself if it wasn't so big, but it's not my size because, like I said, I got it to resell. It's a size extra large, and it retails for $79.95, and with the 3 for $30, I basically paid $10 for this. I had another one of these and I sold it for $50 already. You can find some really good stuff in the 3 for $30. You just gotta keep looking. And next up, I bought this. I didn't really want this because I didn't think it was gonna sell that great. I got 3 of them and I already sold one of them. It's $80 as well, so I basically paid $10 for it. I think I sold it for like $45. What's this Bulls? Is this starter? Yeah, this Bulls starter jersey. It's like a baseball jersey, kind of weird material. Next is another baseball jersey. It's starter as well. I didn't even realize, yeah, that's all starter. But it says NBA All-Star. Now this one is sweet. I honestly would probably keep this for myself, but it says East with the starter logo right down there. And then on the other sleeve, it also says East with the starter logo. And I completely forgot about this clothes rack. I was even saying I was gonna put the pants up there and I never did. Too late now, I guess. But there it is again, and nothing on the back. And then lastly, I picked up this. I only picked this up because I knew this would be a guaranteed sell. It's this Golden State Warriors jersey. It is Mitchell and Ness, which is pretty crazy. This was also $80, but I basically paid $10 for it. And it's just this, I don't even know what this is really, just a jersey, but not like a standard basketball jersey. Don't know the correct name on it. It is a size small, Mitchell Ness, nothing on the back. And I did pick up a lot more stuff, but some of it was just kind of for the personal, and some was also to resell, but I already sold and shipped all that stuff out. So I can't show you more, but I got way more stuff than that. But that was just like a glimpse of what you can find in the 3 for $30. So I highly recommend it if you want to get into reselling. It's a good way to start. That's what I'm going to try starting on this channel. If you're into reselling, I want to get you guys into reselling just because a full-time job is completely overrated. It's in this day and age, you don't even need to be doing it because I can work a part-time job, and I feel like if we didn't move into this bigger apartment, I wouldn't even need it. How high the rent is and everything else, I kind of need it. So I basically work that just to pay the rent, and then this is like how I get all my money. So I highly recommend go out there, and in future videos, I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to make money if you're not even into that type of stuff. Like if you're into streetwear will basically pay your bills. So that's like a little side rant, but I am going to try to get that into a series on my channel. I don't know how I'm going to start it or when I'm going to start it, but whenever that time comes, hopefully you guys enjoy that. But I hope you enjoyed just this little Pac Sun pickup / rant video at the end. Wasn't even meant to do that, but things change over here. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, go check out all my other videos, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Go check out all my other videos, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.